Lo msitho wentetho yobume besizwe ikwalithuba lokuba amalungu eParlamente abembejembeje abonakalisa imisiko kanokutsho, misiko leyo iqulethe intsingiselo ethile.
Ma'am, you've caught the eye of so many people. Tell us what's behind this creation.
My outfit was designed and made by Afro Sons, by Leon. But I specifically chose black and white because I still feel that we lost a lot of ANC colleagues due to COVID. And during the COVID time, we lost other colleagues, even if it was not through COVID. But I still feel that we are still mourning our colleagues. And I decided to put in the white because I believe there is hope.
Well, as a traditional leader, I've always, through SONA over the years, tried to define who we are as a people, as Africans, and as a traditional leader. So today I'm wearing my traditional blanket, which I was given, and also my grandfather had the honor of being given the blanket by King Xolilizwe Sigcawu in Nqatu.
Phakathi kwezinto ezijongwe kule ntetho kaMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kukudalwa kwemisebenzi nanjengoko izinga lentswela-ngqesho liphezulu kweli lizwe, ukulungiswa kweziseko zophuhliso kuqukulwakhiwo lwezindlu, kukwamemelelwa ukuba okaRamaphosa aze nenkqubo ecacileyo yokuhlangula uqoqosho kweli.